there's more coming. Lots coming. Along the LOI Canal. Feeding the fish and the birds. A lot of them. What a great place to practice.
I want a pretzel, please.
There's lots.
That's why they go for them. You need big chunks. Oh!
More boats coming. There's a great spot here, LOI Boulevard.
I like cheesies more. Sam, you're throwing them way over there. You need to be over here. Sam, come and sit right here. Oh! They're all doing nothing in clouds.
Lots of rain clouds up over the hills there. I was hanging.
You go nuts for cheesies.
And lots of kayakers.
Oh! Jeez.